Are you looking for a very fun toy that's easy to fly? Check out this drone here that looks like a fighter jet. It's going to come with 3 batteries. I have one already on there that are rechargeable, 3 USB-C, 2 extra in my hand. They give you some extra propellers. They give you the USB-C cable to charge it. It's in this nice foam housing that protects the blades. So if you hit a wall or you crash into something, it's going to protect it. It's going to protect the blades, and it's super easy to fly, and it actually flies really nicely. It's easy to control. You do have a controller here that allows you to adjust too. So if you're drifting one way or the other, you can counteract that by hitting one of the buttons, whether it's left control or left adjustment, right adjustment, forward adjustment, back adjustment. You can kind of see here what the controller looks like. And let's get this thing turned on. Now this will come with batteries. They give you the batteries for the controller. This isn't rechargeable, but the batteries are included. They're AAAs. So we can turn on our remote on the unit itself. Let me show you how the batteries are installed. You can take out a battery. You're going to pop it in on the bottom and slide up. Locks it in place so it doesn't fall out. There's an on and off switch here. You'll be greeted with some lights, and that's it. Now check this out. Now we can, for easy use, there's a takeoff and landing button. So if I press that, you're going to hear it. And look, looks like I'm drifting forward a little bit. So I'm going to do a backwards adjustment, and then I'm going to do a left adjustment. Now you can also turn the lights on and off. That battery was dead. Let's get it new. All right, we're going to go ahead and take off once the battery's in. Now you can control the lights too as well. There's a light control button. You can turn them on and off. But we do have this one button right here to push. This is takeoff and landing. One push. And you can see here how easy this is to steer and maneuver. I'm going to adjust. It's trying to drift a little forward. I'm going to adjust it backwards. Keep this in the shot for you. So you can see you can hit a wall just to show you here. This thing can go, man. You can do a button for flips. It makes it super easy. And look, I'm not touching anything, and it's just flying. Now it's drifting a little forward, so we can try to adjust it to come back. You got to hold it down and do left adjustment, right adjustment. You can kind of dial it in, and there we have it. So it's going to fly a little back towards us. I'm not hitting anything. You can see here how easy it is and how stable the flight is. Got really close to the camera there, and you can see how much fun it is. So I really enjoy this. Check it out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. We're getting in frame here. Shout out for the company for gifting me this. I could do this review.